Hello. So I would like to guide you through the back bends. So you are going to feel a little bit more uplifted once you feel like the energy is down. To bring energy up, you need to go to the back arches. So then it's like a natural caffeine and you feel very uplifted, energized. So then I wouldn't recommend to take any caffeine, extra caffeine, because you are producing those um, endorphins by yourself and you are lifting up your energy. So if you have any back problems, maybe just go for very gentle bridges. If you feel like you want to take it to the next level, you can go to full wheel positions. So we are going to lie down on our backs. Legs are hip width distance, palms beside the body, pressing down. Legs are, feet and knees are hip width distance. Inhale. Exhale, engage your stomach muscles, imprint back to the floor and tilt pelvis in. Just pelvic tilt. Inhale, release table down, and exhale, lift your pelvis slightly higher up. Inhale down. And exhale, roll spine up. Inhale down. And exhale, roll spine all the way up to bridge. So if you have back problems, this is the maximum you can take your practice to this position. If you want to take it farther, you can try to walk your hands towards your heels, holding onto your heels with your hands, pushing hips up to the ceiling. Then walking hands underneath your lower spine, lifting heels up and lifting one leg up towards the ceiling. Flex and point foot up in the air. So you're supporting your hips by your hands. Point toes, lower foot down, and lifting up the upper leg. Flexing and pointing your foot. Point toes, lower foot down. So you can also have hands down on the floor, interlacing fingers, clasping hands together, pushing hips up. If you want to take it further, you can step feet down to the floor, palms by your ears, pressing down with your hands, fingers pointing towards your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Lift hips up and place crown of the head on the floor. This is your starting point before you take it farther. Press down through your hands and push hips up. Inhale, exhale. Push burns away through your hands. Your arms are shoulders distance. Your legs are hip width distance. You want to move your body's weight front and back. You might balance on your toes. Rocking front and back. As you reach farther forward with your body's weight, shoulders are in line with your wrists. You lift one knee up and extend leg up. You can flex and point your top foot. Point toes, inhale, exhale, lower foot down, and reaching up with your upper leg, flexing and pointing foot up in the air. Point toes up, inhale, and exhale, lower foot down. You can walk feet away from you and extend them fully, extending your arms, pushing hips up to the sky. Move your head from side to side if it feels right. Find the center. Walk feet towards you. You can play with the upper variation here, lifting one hand up, bringing hips down. Inhale and exhale, sending arm over your head, releasing down. And sending hips down, repeating it one more time. on each side. Back to wheel pose. Push hips up. Try to keep your legs as close as you can towards each other and weight forward on your arms. Gonna come back down. You can come back on your spine and knees to chest, or you can rest feet underneath your glutes. Opening this out, resting palms on top of your belly. Taking deep breaths in and out. And also send knees in, feet out in hero pose. Relaxing hands beside you or on top of your belly. And sending your knees to chest, keeping them hug, and rocking from side to side. Find the center and bend your legs 90 degrees angle. Flex your feet, hands outside of your arches of your feet. So you are in happy baby. Rock from side to side. You can also open your hips fully and placing hands onto your inner thighs or inner heels. Keeping legs extended. Finding the center. Inhale. Exhale, lifting head up towards your hips. Extending legs or bending them. Sending feet down to the ground if you are opening your hips. Inhale, exhale, lowering head down and sending legs to one side for spinal twist. Hold onto your feet with your hands. Inhale, reach up with top leg. Exhale, send your legs towards the outer side. Hold onto your feet with your hand or onto your leg. You can also have your knees bent. Keep your upper arm down on the floor. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring knees to chest. Give them a hug. Find the center. Tuck chin in and roll through toes, forward and back. As you come up, you're going to take a moment in butterfly position, pressing with your elbows onto your inner thighs, with your hands onto your feet. Lengthen spine through your head. Inhale and exhale, fold forward. You can look ahead and relax head down. Shoulders away from your ears. Inhale and exhale, curl spine up. I hope you've enjoyed the back arches. You can stay in forward bend for longer. You can stay in relaxation for longer. Please join me when